Well, welcome back, everyone. Let's get right into how tradable these markets have been this week. On the heels of last week's selling, we had a pause on Monday, a revival on Tuesday, a scare on Wednesday that then reversed right back up, and Thursday, driven on the heels of Nvidia's overnight and during market performance, especially into the end of the day, rose. And today, Friday, where I'm recording this video, a little bit of follow up to the upside and a slightly higher high. Gap fill has been done. We're near the all-time highs for the S&P. And what you're looking at is a chart that goes back to October of 2022, where the bottom of the market was, and that's where this channel is. We're in the high octane quadrant of this four quadrant channel, this linear regression channel. This is the area where either everything goes perfectly right or gravity sets in very quickly, as it did after a few days right there, as you can see through the election. Now, technicals are going to like the path in front of us, and I'm going to share with you intermarket analysis with the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit on two time frames. We're going to start off with the daily time frame. We've got the Russell, we've got the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. Now, the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit is what's on screen. The opaque zone is the Champion Cross. The trail line over here, and you can see it over here with a buy zone plaque for the Dow, it's the Champion Trend. And when you see a orange ball underneath price after we've resumed the sequence, so we just resume the sequence over here onwards. Now, when that orange ball appears, you're in stage two of that sequence of signals. Stage one is the Champion Trend and Champion Cross. Stage three is accounted for with these breakout forecasters. So we're just at the precipice of stage one on the daily chart for the Russell, the Dow, the S&P, and also the NASDAQ. Now, on daily charts, looks good. Dow's almost at new all-time highs, or at least coming back to test the all-time highs. And all of the indices are, very close, within spitting distance. When we unearth a 4-hour chart, which tends to act on the next 3 to 5 days, the one problem that we consistently see here is the NASDAQ does not have the same signaling as the other indices. So the Russell, stage two, wealth signal, that orange ball, and breakout forecasters, we're in stage three. This is where we can make high octane moves. And there's the Dow in the similar spot. And here's the S&P in the similar spot. There's the orange ball. We also got a range breaker and breakout forecasters. They're all absent on the NASDAQ. And we are not in a buy zone just as of yet with a buy signal overall. So this is a little concerning. Now that concern can turn into a delight, as in we've got room to catch up, but something that we have to be well aware of. All of this would culminate on, is the market, the signaling index, ready to break out to new highs and tell us it's a real breakout, not a fake out? Well, odds would point to a retest of the highs, if not slightly higher. The durability of that is unlikely very long. The duration staying up there is likely short-lived. And the rationale for that is the pullback did not last for as many days or long enough, nor was deep enough necessarily to really engender a lot of new buyers coming into the mix. Most buyers are now holders. We just have an absence of sellers, as those holders have not turned to sellers just as of yet. Now, if you have seen this video and like what you're seeing, join me for the next one. Have an incredible rest of your day. Thank you for watching.